How to fix can't open GCash app. So if you are having the trouble opening the GCash app, could be a several reasons behind the issues. So here's a comprehensive guide to help you to troubleshoot and fix the problem. So first step is that you have to ensure that you are having the stable connection on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issues. Sometimes a simple restart of your device also can they resolve the issues with your app. You have to turn the device off and wait a second, and then you have to turn it back. Also, you have to ensure that you are using the latest version of your GCash app. You have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and simply search for the GCash. Once you have search for the GCash, if there is any update available, then you have to update the app. Also, you can go for your device setting, and on your device setting, just go for the app management here. Scroll down and go for the app here, and here you can see the manage app. Just go and search for the GCash here. Once you have searched for the GCache, you have to simply go for the storage or clear data here. And you have to just go and clear your all cache from your GCache. So you have to just clear the cache, not clear the data. If you clear the data from your GCache, all your app will be reset to the original state and you might need to log in here. So also you can remove the GCash app from your device and then reinstall it from the Google Play Store or Apple Store there, which can also fix the issues related to the corrupted files or setting. So you have to ensure that your GCash has the all necessary permission to function properly. Go to your setting, just go for the permission here, and you have to allow the permission here. Just go and allow the all permission on your GCache to fix your issues here. If you have tried all of these steps and still can't open the app, you have to directly contact the GCache customer support for further assistance. Provide them with the detail about the issues, including any error message you are encountering. Any error message you are encountering. By following this step, you should be able to resolve most issues with opening the GCache app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.